2026 is a weird year to learn programming or even become a software developer. On one hand, it's never been easier, but on the other hand, it's never been easier to do it so wrong. There's a huge push right now for everyone to use AI for everything. Learning how to code, creating business ideas, doing your schoolwork for you, just for everything. And there's a big problem with that. AI is just doing it for you. There's no learning involved. And the same thing is happening with programming. So if you want to become a software developer or learn how to program and you're relying on AI, you're not learning anything. And that's really dangerous. So I want to make this video for you who wants to learn how to program and who wants to actually become a software developer in 2026. I've been programming for 15 years and I've been doing it professionally for over 10 years. And in this video, I'm going to try to give you guys as many tips as I can that will get you to learning how to program and eventually becoming a software developer. Okay, step one, first advice, you need to just build. Just build, build, build. Forget different learning styles, forget theory, just build anything. Just sit down, open VS Code, open Cursor, whatever IDE you want to use, and just start developing. Build anything you can think of. Think of programming like you're going to the gym. You don't watch gym videos to get magically stronger. You go to the gym and you start working out. You stay consistent and you do it repeatedly. Programming works the same way, whether you're building a simple website, a simple tool, or a full-scale application. The more you do it, the better you get. Every project you end up building will help you think like a programmer, be able to debug like a programmer, be able to solve problems like a programmer. And all those skills will only come from actually doing the actual work. Even if the project is boring, even if someone's built it already, even if you feel like the quality is bad, just build it. I promise you, it will help. That is how you get better. Okay, advice number 2, be curious and stay curious. This, in my opinion, is super underrated. Any software you use, whether it be a YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever, question it. Question the functionality, question how everything works. For example, you're watching this YouTube video, question it. How am I able to watch this video? How has this guy been able to upload a video to a system, have it processed and output for me to watch? How does that work in the background? And then research that. And if you can't be asked to research, ask ChatGPT. The amount of conversations I have with ChatGPT about the most random thing that I'm curious about is ridiculous. And when you start questioning things, you will go down rabbit holes where you will learn so many interesting things. And if you're worried about, for example, you're trying to research and not understanding what it's actually saying, again, this is where AI comes to play. You can even ask AI to simply say, hey, explain to me the process of uploading a video to YouTube like I'm 5 years old. And each thing you're not sure about, you question it again. The point is, the more you understand about how software works in the real world, the more you'll be able to build your own software. Just like building projects, curiosity compounds. Advice number 3, failure. Embrace it. Enjoy it, treat it like it's a part of you. You have to embrace failure. You are learning something new. You don't know how it works. You're gonna make mistakes, and that is okay. Anyone tells you it's not okay, you ignore them. Your code will be really bad. Your code will break. It will suck and you will hate it, but trust me, this is part of the process. I do not want you for a second to think, oh my God, this is not for me because I can't do it. No, you're in a stumbling block, you will get over it. This is all completely normal. Remember, always tell yourself, I'm learning something new. This is expected to happen. You're not some sort of God that will pick up something and just master it instantly. I'll give you a real world example of myself. I am quite good at debugging problems. The only reason I'm good at this is because I've had so many things go wrong in the past. I've had so many bugs, so many instances where my code breaks. That's led me to accumulate so many different scenarios where I've experienced that when I have new issues to deal with, chances are I've had them happen before. And if I haven't had them happen before, I have had something similar happen, which has led me to be able to solve the solution for this. So embrace the bugs, actually lean into them because they'll make you stronger. That right there is how real developers are made. Advice number 4, use AI, but use it correctly. You probably noticed in my earlier advice, I said use AI to help you with your curiosity. AI can be so handful for learning about new things. The big problem is people get lazy, and you'll be surprised how many people start off learning on their own, seeing AI make something for them without them having to do anything and just leaning into that method. And then before they know it, they forgot everything they learned. I want you guys to say this with me. AI speeds up your work. It does not do the thinking for you. Do not allow it to do the thinking for you. What I mean by that is, if you're building a project and you want AI to plan it out for you, if it includes anything that you do not know and you have no idea what it's talking about in the code, even if it works, do not use it. That pattern right there becomes a snowball effect. You'll more and more rely on AI to create code that you have no idea what it says. And before you know it, you have no idea what you've built. And then one day you'll wake up and you're a vibe coder. This is a perfect example of how you should use AI. So let's say you have a website, right? It's got 3 pages in it and you want to create the 4th page. The 4th page consists of similar components that were used in the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd page. You want to use AI to plan that out so you can create the 4th page. Most of the work you'll do for this 4th page is just copy and pasting stuff. This right here is where AI shines. It's when you want to do tasks that you know exactly what you need to do, but it's just going to take a long time. That's where AI can just come in, do it for you. You can review it, You happy with it? Okay, I understand this code. Approve. That right there is exactly what AI should be, a tool, and that's it, not a crutch that you rely on. I know if you're thinking this AI bubble is gonna pop, no one's gonna use AI in the future, no, that's not gonna happen. The bubble that you're thinking that's gonna pop is gonna be to do with SaaS AI products that are just copying each other. But the actual essential, just you using AI to complete your code or question things or whatever, that's going nowhere. That's too vital, too important, and it's gonna stay. So get used to it. Use it in your favor. If you take one thing from this video is, please just start. Let the video finish and just get cracking. Don't watch a roadmap video, don't watch like a whole lecture, don't watch a debate on what's the best programming language to pick up. Just get started. And if you're sitting there thinking, okay, I don't know what project to start, I don't know what programming language to start, no worries, let me help you out. Go on YouTube and search how to build a website for beginners. That's it. Pick any video, scroll down, pick the one with the highest views, the one in your language, the one the person looks like you, whatever. Just click play. But here's the thing, this is what I want you to do. I want you to click play and I want you to have your code editor open with you. And I want you to just watch and code along for 5 minutes. Set a timer for 5 minutes and follow along. Now, when the timer goes off, you can either stop and just crack on with what you're doing, or you can continue. Up to you. But the point is, do this every day. Just 5 minutes of coding. That's all I want you to do. 5 minutes. Listen, I'm not trying to get you to watch a whole course, 6 hours or whatever. I'm just trying to get you to get your reps in. Just get your 5 minutes of coding every single day. That's all I ask for. Some days you don't even realize it'll turn into an hour of coding. And some days you'll just do 5 minutes. And that's completely okay. Because the repetitive nature of doing it will compound every single day. 1 day at a time, 1 week at a time, 1 month at a time. I promise you, you do this consistently, 3 to 6 months, just 5 minutes a day. Before you know it, you'll be able to build programs like you didn't realize. I'm telling you now, you've got this. Put the reps in. All right, peace.